In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by looking for a clock app and tapping on it. If you never used it before, hit allow in the pop-up and then decide if you wish to set some volume for your alarms by operating this slider and tapping on Not Now or OK. But a quick tip, you don't need to do it in this pop-up. You can click on those three dots on the right, select Settings, and then adjust the same options from here under Alarm. Now to create a new one, hit Alarm at the bottom left corner and tap on plus icon on the right. Now set up an hour and pick days of the week by clicking on the ones you wish to set up. Then hit alarm name to label it and tap on all of those switches next to those features to disable or enable them. If you decided to enable those two, click on alarm sound first on the left. Pick one of those options to pick up perfect sound source and adjust the volume at the bottom. Now, if you decided to select ringtone, you can hit allow in the pop-up and operate those two switches as well. Now, click on one of those melodies and go back, or tap on this plus at the top right corner. Pick any song from your tablet. Decide if you wish to play selected highlights thanks to this switcher, and then select Done. Wherever you decided after picking your melody, go back and hit snooze to decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Go back again, scroll to hit alarm background, and here's my favorite part. Firstly, make sure you remember this background will work only for this one alarm. Click background at the top left corner, tap on allow all, and either pick one of those default ones and hit done, or customize it by tapping on any photo from your gallery. I want to set up this one. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and hit done at the top right corner. Then save your alarm by hitting save in the pop-up. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To edit it, click on it, make some changes and hit save. To switch it on or off, use this switcher next to it. And to get rid of it, just hold it and tap on delete at the bottom on the right. But if you remember settings I told you about before, you can click on them now. Adjust the volume like I said, select upcoming alarm notification and pick one of those options. But you can also click on alarm background here and this time create one for all your alarms. If you created any background before, you can click on it and set it up by hitting done. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!